Why are you coming here?
I came to face Viva.
Good.
May I come, teacher?
Yes, come in.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Please take seat.
Yes, thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Mehrun Nessa.
Good. Why are you coming here?
I came to face Viva.
Good. What class are you reading?
I read in class 8.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Why English?
English is so easy subject and we tell in English.
That's good. What is the name of your school?
My school name is Badda Residential High School.
What is the name of your headmaster?
Our headmaster's name is Johirul Islam Joy.
Where is your school situated?
Our school situated Alirmore in North Badda.
What is your father's occupation?
My father's occupation is banker.
How many family members in your family?
My family member is 4.
That's good. What is the name of your class teacher?
My class teacher name is Rupa. Her name is Rupa.
Good. Do you know who is our president?
Our president name is Sheikh Hasina.
Sorry, Mr. Shahabuddin.
Mr.
Our
Shahabuddin.
president's name is
Mr. Shahabuddin.
Do you know who is prime minister?
Our prime minister name is Sheikh Hasina.
Good. Who is our education minister?
Our education minister is Mr. Mohibul Hassan Choudhury Nofel.
আর সংক্ষেপে নওফেল আহমেদ। ঠিক আছে?
Her nickname is Nofel.
Good. Okay, thank you. You may go.
Thank you, sir.